What's up, tool fans? Today we're counting down the 20 amazing power tools hitting the market in 2026. From revolutionary brushless motor breakthroughs to the newest cordless tool technology from Dewalt, Milwaukee, and Makita, the game is officially changing. Whether you're a pro contractor looking for the best 18-volt battery system or a DIY ear hunting for next-gen smart tools, this list has it all. We're deep diving into the latest power tool innovations that promise more torque, better runtime, and smarter app integration than ever before. If you want to see which new tool releases are worth your money this year, don't go anywhere. Let's get into the top 26 power tool trends you can't miss.
A well-equipped garden is essential for maintaining healthy plants and efficient gardening. Introducing the WORKPRO Tools Garden Tool Set, a 7-piece gardening set designed for both convenience and durability. This set features 6 purpose-built hand tools, including a transplanter with 4-inch depth engravings, a trowel for digging, a hand fork for aerating and mixing, a weeder for precise weed removal, a cultivator for loosening and spreading soil, and pruning shears for trimming stems and small branches. Each tool has comfortably contoured wooden handles with lanyard loops for easy storage. The set also includes a pair of gardening gloves and a convenient storage tote, ensuring long-lasting use and organized accessibility for any gardener. Precise joinery and groove cutting require a reliable and easy-to-use tool. The TOOLCOOL Router Plane is a handheld woodworking plane designed for tuning joinery, cutting grooves, and creating mortises. Its main body is made of anodized aluminum alloy, featuring a stainless steel blade shaft and brass nut for stability and durability. The unique blade lift mechanism, along with a depth gauge and depth stop, allows precise blade adjustments up to 1.2 inches. Equipped with a razor-sharp high-speed steel blade, it delivers clean cuts right out of the box. The solid rosewood grip ensures comfort and precise control during use, making it essential for fine woodworking. Efficient and consistent mixing is essential for the smooth application of construction materials. Introducing the Eibenstock Automix 90, a top-entry paddle mixer designed for professional and versatile use. Equipped with a powerful motor and gearbox, it mixes continuously and quickly, handling powders and coatings, including latex, floor toppings, tile cements, and adhesives. The anchor-shaped paddle and slow-speed, high-torque motor ensure thorough blending of cement-based materials. Its top motor unit is mounted on a rigid wheeled frame, with a mixer head that raises for easy tub removal. Compact and lightweight, it fits in small vehicles and can be transported to upper floors, providing uninterrupted mixing throughout the workday. Accurate and reliable marking is essential for precision work in various environments. The Pica-Dry Longlife automatic pencil offers advanced mechanisms for dust and water protection, ensuring dependable performance even in tough conditions. Featuring new grip zones, it enhances the haptic experience for better handling. Its power lock system delivers up to 3 times higher lead holding power, up to 2 kilograms, compared to its predecessor, preventing accidental lead slips. Designed to accommodate the largest variety of leads for all purposes, it provides unmatched versatility. With robust all-round protection against external conditions, this pencil is perfect for professionals needing durable, precise marking on any material. When working with hose connections, precision and secure clamping are essential for reliable performance. The SPEEDWOX ear clamp pliers are expertly designed for both 1-ear and 2-ear clamps, making them ideal for CV boots, coolant and fuel lines, air pressure systems, and compressors. Crafted from high-strength chrome vanadium steel, these drop-forged pliers deliver industrial-grade durability and long-lasting use. The front and side jaw design allows versatile crimping angles, while PVC handles provide a comfortable anti-slip grip for better control. Protected with anti-rust oil, the tool resists corrosion and maintains its functionality. This 9-inch crimping tool is a dependable choice for automotive, mechanical, and industrial applications. Accurately measuring angles is essential for precise fabrication and construction tasks. The Trick Tools Angle Finder 3 is a stainless steel protractor designed to measure inside or outside angles from 0 to 180 degrees. It features a 3.25-inch base leg and a 4-inch rotating leg for versatility in use. With a locking knob, it allows easy transfer and secure holding of angles during work. The angle finder measures inside angles from 20 to 170 degrees and outside angles from 0 to 170 degrees, making it perfect for saw blade setup, sheet metal layout and bending, and general fabrication and construction projects. Creating precise and clean pilot holes is essential for professional woodworking and repairs. The Lytool Countersink drill bit set includes 5 high-speed steel countersink bits and 5 replaceable conical drill bits with a round shank and Allen wrench for easy adjustments. These durable bits feature sharp, wear-resistant blades that drill smooth holes quickly, ensuring a tight screw fit. The adjustable depth stop allows precise control of pilot hole depth, combining drilling, countersinking, and counterboring in one step. Compatible with lithium-electric drills, hand drills, and bench drills, this versatile set is ideal for wood, MDF, plastic, and other non-metal materials. Reliable and adjustable lighting is crucial for safely and efficiently completing tasks in any workspace. The OEMTOOLS multi-use work light line is a versatile rechargeable work light designed for shop, home, and roadside applications. Ranging from 200 lumens to 1000 lumens, these lights feature 5 modes: high, medium, low, SOS, and strobe. Each light includes a strong magnetic backing, hanging hooks that pivot 180 degrees, removable adhesive pads, rubber end casing protection, and an adjustable nylon strap for flexible positioning. The diagnostic light adds a yellow mode for smoke detection, a UV mode for AC leak detection, and a built-in power bank for charging devices on the go. Effective and thorough cleaning is essential for maintaining pristine surfaces without hassle. The Sacker Tornado Dry Cleaning Gun is a high-pressure detailing tool designed to connect with air compressors, operating at a powerful pressure range of 0.4 to 9 megapascals for efficient cleaning every time. Its durable, upgraded design features a reinforced copper connector for long-lasting use. Equipped with a specialized brush, it easily reaches narrow gaps and delicate areas, making it ideal for cleaning cars, furniture, or factory equipment. This versatile tool saves time and effort, making it the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal for effortless professional results. Accurate angle measurement is vital for precision in construction, woodworking, and DIY projects. The Huepar digital angle gauge combines a digital level, angle meter, and laser line projector in one versatile tool. It projects horizontal and vertical laser lines with plus or minus 1 mm per meter accuracy, offering 4 times 90 degrees and 2 times 180 degrees measurement ranges in both ABS and REF modes. A powerful recessed magnet ensures a secure grip on ferrous surfaces, even pipes. Built with durable, impact-resistant materials, it's IP54 dustproof and waterproof, powered by a rechargeable 650 mAh lithium battery with Type-C charging. An electronic bubble tilt display makes readings intuitive, while the included carry bag ensures portability. Having reliable scrapers is essential for a wide range of tough cleaning and preparation tasks. The ALLWAY multi-purpose scrapers offer a heavy-duty family of tools designed to meet various needs with features like sturdy soft grip handles for comfort and control, removable hammer ends, and threaded sockets for extension poles. Models include the BS3 with a bent 3-inch blade for wet conditions, the versatile BG 1/8-in-1 tool for scraping, nail pulling, and more, the F42X retractable push-pull scraper, and the LS3 burn-off scraper with a thick 3-inch blade and natural wood handle. These scrapers provide durability, versatility, and ease of use for professionals and DIYers alike. When working with stubborn or rusted bolts, a high-performance tool is essential for efficiency and ease. The Hazet Impact Wrench delivers just that with a robust twin hammer mechanism, offering a strong loosening torque of 1,000 Newton-meters and a maximum tightening torque of 685 Newton-meters, with recommended performance at 550 Newton-meters. It features a square drive and 3-stage forward with 1-stage reverse, allowing total torquey control. The ergonomically designed rubberized handle absorbs vibration and provides cold insulation for comfort during prolonged use. Included is a 7.2 nominal size coupler plug. Ideal for tire changes, it effortlessly handles stubborn wheel bolts while remaining cost-effective. Strong, accurate clamping is vital for assembling cabinets, panels, and other woodworking projects. The Jorgensen cabinet parallel clamps deliver 90-degree clamping with up to 2,200 pounds of clamping force, ensuring perfect alignment and secure holds. Built with improved steel threads for greater strength and increased clamping power, they feature a high-torque handle grip with a through-hole design for easy tightening. The soft landing system prevents the sliding jaw from free-falling, enhancing safety. These clamps easily convert to spreaders without tools and are compatible with clamp extenders. With a 3-in-1 support block and 2-in-1 glue separator clamp stand, they are ideal for precise, heavy-duty cabinet and panel assembly. Reliable PEX connections are essential for efficient plumbing installation and repairs. The iCrimp PEX clamp tool offers a patented multifunctional design with both clamp cinching and removal capabilities in one tool. It installs corrosion-resistant 1/2-inch 20-pack and 3/4-inch 10-pack clamp rings onto PEX barb fittings, ensuring long-lasting strength for brass or poly fittings. The included PEX tubing cutter slices through up to 1-inch tubing effortlessly. Factory calibrated, all clamp connections meet ASTM standards. In removal mode, it cuts off clamp rings in seconds, allowing fittings to be reused. Durable and precise, this toolkit streamlines PEX work for professionals and DIYers alike. Sometimes extra reach and torque are needed to safely loosen rusted or over-tightened fasteners without risking damage to tools. The ALLWAY Spanner Wrench Extender offers a professional solution by extending the reach of your wrench up to 15 inches, providing extra leverage to tackle stubborn bolts, nuts, and pipe connections. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel, it is built to withstand substantial torque job after job. Its contoured double injection handle ensures comfortable use while preventing damage from risky techniques like linking wrenches. Compatible with a wide variety of common wrenches, this extender is a safer and more effective alternative to cheater bars. Detecting cooling system leaks quickly is vital to prevent costly engine damage. The GallopMax Coolant Tester Kit offers a complete solution with a radiator pressure tester, vacuum fill coolant tool, and thermometer for temperature measurement. It identifies internal leaks from blown head gaskets, ruptured cylinder blocks, or cylinder heads, as well as external cooling system leaks. The vacuum fill tool refills coolant under vacuum, eliminating air pockets to protect the engine. With 20 universal adapters, it suits most domestic and imported vehicles. Color and numeric coded caps simplify selection. Housed in a thickened, blow-molded case with a brass manifold, a large 3-inch pressure gauge, and a professional user manual, it's durable, accurate, and easy to use. Efficiently sealing cartons requires a tool that adapts to different box thicknesses and ensures secure closure. The Meite manual carton closing stapler offers adjustable staple depth, allowing users to customize how deep staples penetrate for various carton types. It features clinch tightness control, so staple legs can be set tight or loose to match packaging needs. With a durable, stable construction and a comfortable rubber handle, it provides quick and easy operation. The lightweight design reduces user fatigue during long packaging sessions, while the use of 16-gauge copper-coated staples ensures reliable carton closing every time. Working under vehicles often means dealing with discomfort and limited mobility. The KINCROME Carbon Creeper is built to solve that with a super low-profile design, a 130-kilogram capacity, and a ribbed underside for exceptional strength and durability. It features a carbon print padded headrest and back support for comfort, plus an ergonomic shape for effortless movement under a car. 6 sealed ball-bearing PU casters ensure smooth gliding in any direction, while onboard storage keeps tools within reach. Designed with a hook slot for easy storage when not in use, this creeper is a dependable choice for mechanics who value strength, comfort, and performance in demanding automotive work. Changing brake pads requires evenly retracting caliper pistons without causing damage or misalignment. The Lang Tools brake caliper press is designed to work with single, dual, and quad piston calipers, centrally distributing force to prevent uneven compression. Its 360-degree ratchet swing allows access from any angle, making it practical in tight spaces. Simply insert it into the caliper where the pads were, ratchet the handle with steady force until the pistons are fully retracted, then reverse the switch to release. Built for precision and ease, this tool ensures smooth brake maintenance and helps extend caliper life while improving safety during brake servicing. A reliable and versatile socket set is essential for tackling a wide range of mechanical and DIY tasks efficiently. Introducing the WORKPRO Tools Drive Socket Set, a 20-piece 3/8 drive socket wrench set designed for durability and convenience. Constructed from forged CRV steel and chrome-plated, each component is rust-resistant and built to last. The set includes 9 3/8 drive sockets in both SAE and metric sizes, a 3-inch extension bar for reaching tight spaces, and a ratchet with a 72-tooth gear head, direction-reversing switch, and ball-bearing quick-release mechanism. The patented carry rack with a 360-degree rotating organizer ensures secure storage and easy access, perfect for use at home, in the garage, or in a car.
That's our look at the best power tools of 2026. Which of these new cordless tools are you adding to your arsenal? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this 2026 power tool review, hit that like button and subscribe for more tool testing and workshop gear updates. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a review on the latest job site technology. For more on the top-rated power tools of the year, check out our suggested video right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.